Hello everyone, today I will teach you about a basic infusions and how to make them. An infusion is the simplest way to prepare the more delicate aerial parts of plants, especially leaves and flower, for use as a medicine or as a revitalizing or relaxing drink. It is made in a similar way to tea, using either a single herb or a combination of herbs and may be drunk hot or cold. The medicinal value of many herbs lies chiefly in their volatile oils, which will disperse into the air if a lid is not used. This is especially important in the case of German chamomile. Use a teapot or place a lid or saucer over a cup if making a small quantity. Use water that has just boiled. Popular herbal teas such as German chamomile are often taken as much for their refreshing taste as for their medicinal value and can be safely consumed in quantities of up to 5 or 6 cups a day. Some herbs, however, such as yarrow, are significantly stronger and must be taken in less frequent. Few are so strong that they not suitable for use in infusions. Always check the recommended dosage and quantity of herb to use, as infusions have medicinal actions and can produce unwanted effects at the wrong dosage. Standard quantity: cup 1 teaspoon, 2-3 g, dried, or 2 teaspoons, 4-6 g, fresh herb, or mixture of herbs, to a cup of water. This makes 1 dose. Pot 20 g dried herb or 30 g fresh herb, or a mixture of different herbs, to 500 milliliters of water. Pot infusion. Warm the pot, then add the pour-in water that has just boiled, replace the lid and infusion into for 10 minutes. Strain some of the infusion into a cup. A teaspoon of honey may be added if desired. Cup infusion. 1. Place the herb in the strainer of the tisane cup and place the strainer in the cup. Fill the cup with freshly boiled water. 2. Cover the cup with the lid and infuse for 5 to 10 minutes before removing the tisane strainer. Add a teaspoon of honey to sweeten if desired.